Cardano is most certainly one of those tasks that have amazing possible beyond being a resource that gets exchanged for benefit. Based on peer looked into scholastic exploration, Cardano has united areas of strength for it throughout the long term. Its specialized establishment and the aspirations of its group have made ADA one of the top digital currencies on the planet. We should investigate what the Cardano digital currency and venture are about and look at our ADA cost conjecture for the next few years. Kindly remember that, similarly as with some other cryptographic money, it is almost difficult to make a 100% precise Cardano cost conjecture. We notice what least cost and most extreme value ADA might possibly have in 1 year or the following 5 years. However, those are only our assessments. This video doesn't comprise speculation exhortation. Our constant ADA to USD cost update shows the ongoing Cardano cost as 39 cents USD. According to our Cardano cost expectation, ADA cost is supposed to have a 1.82% reduction and drop as low as by April 9, 2023. Our investigation of the specialized pointers proposes that the ongoing business sector feeling is negative 69%, with a trepidation and covetousness list score of 64. See according to the most recent information assembled. The ongoing cost of Cardano is $36 cents, and ADA is as of now position No. 7 in the whole crypto biological system. The dissemination supply of Cardano is $12,577,219,897.51, with a market cap of $34,730,976,878. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has expanded by 2 cents in its ongoing worth. Throughout the previous 7 days, ADA has been in a decent vertical pattern, subsequently expanding by 5.21%. Cardano has shown areas of strength for exceptionally of late, and this could be a decent chance to dive right in and contribute. During the last month, the cost of ADA has expanded by 1.75%, adding a titanic typical measure of 1 cent to its ongoing worth. This unexpected development implies that the coin can turn into a strong resource now, assuming it keeps on developing. Cardano value expectation 2023. As per the specialized examination of Cardano costs expected in 2023, the base expense of Cardano will be 45 cents. The most extreme level that the ADA cost can reach is 55 cents. The typical exchanging cost is normal around 47 cents. Possible return for money invested, 43.6% by ADA value estimate for February 2023 in light of the value changes of Cardano toward the start of 2023. Crypto specialists expect the typical ADA pace of 37 cents in February 2023. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at 34 cents and at 38 cents. Separately, likely return for capital invested, 0% by WALC 2023. Cardano value conjecture digital currency specialists are prepared to declare their figure for the ADA cost in WALC 2023. The base exchanging cost may be 36 cents, while the most extreme could reach 39 cents during this month. Overall, it is normal that the worth of Cardano may be around 37 cents. It can drop to 37 cents as a base. The most extreme worth may be 41 cents. Likely return for capital invested, 7.7% by May 2023. Cardano value figure around mid-year 2023. The ADA cost will be exchanged at 39 cents overall. May 2023 could likewise observe an expansion in the Cardano worth to 43 cents. It is accepted that the cost won't drop lower than 38 cents in May 2023. Expected return for capital invested, 12.8% by ADA value figure for June 2023. Crypto specialists have dissected Cardano costs in 2023, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to June 2023, 40 cents. The least and pinnacle ADA rates may be 39 cents and 44 cents. Possible return for capital invested, 15.4% by July 2023. Cardano value figure crypto investigators expect that toward the finish of summer 2023, the ADA cost will be around 41 cents. In July 2023, the Cardano cost might drop to at least 39 cents. The normal pinnacle worth may be 46 cents in July 2023. Likely return for money invested, 20.5% by ADA value estimate for August 2023. Having broke down Cardano cost, digital currency specialists expect that the ADA rate could arrive at a limit of 48 cents in August 2023. It may, notwithstanding, drop to 41 cents. For August 2023, the estimated normal of Cardano is almost 42 cents. Possible return on initial capital investment, 25.6% by September 2023. Cardano value gauge around mid-2023. The Cardano cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of 44 cents. Crypto examiners expect that in September 2023, the ADA cost could vary somewhere in the range of 42 cents and 50 cents. Likely return on initial capital investment, 30.8% by ADA value conjecture for October 2023. Market specialists expect that in October 2023, the Cardano worth won't dip under at least 43 cents. The greatest pinnacle expected for this present month is 52 cents. The assessed typical exchanging worth will be at the degree of 45 cents. Expected return on initial capital investment, 35.9% by November 2023. Cardano value figure. Digital money specialists have painstakingly investigated the scope of ADA costs all through 2023. For November 2023, their conjecture is the accompanying. The most extreme exchanging worth of Cardano will be around 54 cents, with a chance of dropping to at least 44 cents. In November 2023, the normal expense will be 45 cents. Likely return for money invested, 41% by ADA value gauge for December 2023. In light of the value changes of Cardano toward the start of 2023, crypto specialists expect the typical ADA pace of 47 cents in December 2023. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at 45 cents and at 55 cents. Separately, expected return for money invested, 43.6% by Cardano value expectation 2024. After the examination of the costs of Cardano in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2024, the base cost of Cardano will be around 65 cents. The greatest expected ADA cost might be around 77 cents. Overall, the exchanging cost may be 66 cents in 2024. The typical expected exchanging cost is 95 cents. Cardano value expectation 2026. The specialists in the field of digital money have examined the costs of Cardano and their changes during the earlier years. It is accepted that in 2026, the base ADA cost could drop to $1.34, while its greatest can reach $1.61. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around $1.38. Cardano value expectation 2027. In view of the examination of the expenses of Cardano by crypto specialists, the accompanying greatest and least ADA costs are normal in 2027, $2.27 and $1.94. By and large, it will be exchanged at $1.99. Cardano value forecast 2028. Crypto specialists are continually investigating the changes of Cardano. In view of their forecasts, the assessed typical ADA cost will be around $2.95. It could drop to at least $2.85. However, it actually could reach $3.33 all through 2028. Cardano value expectation 2029. Consistently, cryptographic money specialists plan gauges at the cost of Cardano. It is assessed that ADA will be exchanged somewhere in the range of $3.94 and $4.96 in 2029. Its typical expense is normal at around $4.08 during the year. Cardano value forecast 2030. Cryptographic money investigators are prepared to declare their assessments of the Cardano's cost.